Okay, so in this one, this was one I did in my second quarter of programming. So I'd only been programming for about 3 months at this point, and this one used a lot of polymorphism in C++, and it is a Windows console. So this is just the beginning. I set up the text DandDArena. And then here it asks which class you would like to play as, and you'll basically pick one at this point. And this this part right here is actually it's an overload stream for input once you select which character you want. But it's an overload stream for the character class, which is the parent class of Knight, Mage, and Monk. And Knight, Mage, and Monk are utilizing polymorphism and passing values up to the character class. So for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and pick the Knight, and then this is kind of like Windows Vista in a way. It's going to ask you if you're sure for every single thing in here. So which faction would I like to join? There's really no information on it at this point. It was just a quick and dirty project that I did in about a week and a half for our final. Which faction would I like to join? I'll just pick the Angel's Guard. Now, depending on who you pick will actually change the types of armor, I believe, that are available to you. I'll get the Golden Sphinx half plate. Yes, I'm sure. And then which weapon I would want, I'll go with the Elven Short Sword. This does give you information on how much damage it does. I believe these other ones actually give you attribute changes, though. Again, it doesn't give you that information. So I'm just going to go ahead and go for the Elven Short Sword. Yes, I'm sure. Now I can type in my character's name. I'll just put in my own name, hit enter, and then at this point I can pick my personality, and it'll boost or decrease certain stats. Nothing special. I'll go ahead and go aggressive since I'm a knight. And then here I get 10 points to apply to 3 attributes. So as an example, I'll just put in 10, which is the max, and then I'll try to put in 5 and 3. And as you can notice, it's negative points, but it should loop back around and because that's not allowed. So you only get 10 points to apply. Of course, it should give information on there about the fact that you can't apply more than that, so at least the player knows. But this is only my second quarter of programming, so a little bit of forgiveness here. I'll just go ahead and put 5, 2, and 2, and then when it's done, obviously there's a little cheat there. It added more strength than there was supposed to be from the previous round, and the mod is a little jacked up. Go ahead and press enter. Yes, it is a little glitchy. When I made this, we were using slower school computers, so with this one, it's refreshing the array of characters, and so you can kind of see the blinking in there. But basically, you use arrow keys and you can press up, and here you can get instructions. So, for example, if I press an A, page 1 of 2, when entering an arena, so on and so forth, it gives you information, and you can continue looking up information here for whichever you desire. And you can exit when you're ready, and it'll go back to the screen, and you're on the other side of the gate. If you go to R, it's not up on the key pane there for some reason. I don't know if it's the width of the... No, it should be up there. I'm not sure why. This is a pretty old project that I did. I just wanted to show you that I know how to use C++ with polymorphism and classes for quite a while now. So I'm pretty decent at it. But you can go into here, and it's just going to give you information about your characters, your name, your level, personality, all those things that you picked. And when you're done, you can walk out of there. And then there's the shop up here, which is shown by a $sign, and tells you how much gold you have, how much potions cost, how many do you want. I'll just say 1. Great. Now I have 0 gold and 3 potions. And then when I'm ready, I'll go into the arena. Bam. The moment I got into the arena, I got into a fight. Typically, it's just a random number as you move through the char array. Once the random number is hit within a certain percentage, you roll for initiative. It shows my health and the enemy's health. Press enter. Have an interesting animation here where it rolls the dice. Shows my modifier for my initiative, which would be the dexterity. This is definitely based off of Dungeons and Dragons. So I rolled an 18, he rolled 6, therefore I attack first. Then I get to pick what I want to do. I can either attack, block, or heal. If I block, I believe if I get hit, it's 50% or less health, the way it's written in the code. I'm just going to go ahead and attack. So basically it's going to show his health again. I'm going to roll to see if I get past his armor. I don't. I see what's going on now. I'm going to go ahead and restart it real quick. That modifier value that was in there is important for it to continue. So I'm just going to go ahead and press A for everything. I know it works with that one. Once again, it's a pretty old project. I haven't really looked into the code in a long time. I'm going to go ahead and just hit A until I get through everything. Put in my name, A, 5, 2, and 2. Done, done. Go through there, hit exit, go through, go to straight to the arena this time. All right, whoa, exit the arena. Oh, isn't that a lovely char array issue there? See if he gets into a fight. Bam, he got to a fight. Roll for initiative. Voila, attack. I missed. Rolls again. Get to attack again. He also missed me. All the text down there just gives information. So I did hit him. There's a little swipe animation. It says I defeated him. Then I can walk around the arena again. Very interesting char error there. Char array there. That's the game in a nutshell. Very early game. You can go ahead and exit the game here. And that is all.